This is the Mavic 2. DJI announced a new addition to its folding drone line at an event today in New York City. The successor to 2016's Mavic Pro features two distinct camera options. The Mavic 2 Pro sports an integrated Hasselblad camera capable of capturing 20 megapixel images with accurate color representation. The Mavic 2 Zoom's camera, meanwhile, features 2x optical and 2x digital zoom, capable of simulating a 96mm telephoto lens. The model is also the first DJI to support the new dolly zoom mode, which zooms in on an object while the drone flies in the opposite direction, creating a cool horror movie style effect. Both models feature improved active tracking autonomous flight and upgraded obstacle detection to help avoid crashes. The drone's a bit larger than its predecessor, but the upgraded design helps reduce air drag for speeds up to 44 miles an hour with a maximum 31 minutes of flight time. The Pro runs $14.99 and the Zoom is $11.99. Both models can also be upgraded to the Fly More kit, which includes 2 additional batteries, a multi-battery charging hub, a car charger, additional propellers, and a carrying bag, all for $319. Both are on sale through DJI.com.